Faster charging. UGREEN car charger can charge 2 devices simultaneously at QC 3.0 speed. Quick Charge 3.0 charges compatible devices for up to 55% in just 35 minutes. This is 4 times faster than conventional devices. Full metal body and safety. The upgrade metal cigarette USB charger will not be burnt out, which is safer than a plastic one. Certified by multiple safety certifications, the double USB car charger has multiple protection against overcurrent, overcharging, and will guard the safety of your devices. Universal compatibility. Universal dual USB car charger compatible with any Android and iOS mobile devices. Compatible with iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 13 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, iPhone 12 12 mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, iPhone 11 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, iPhone SE 3, 2/1, iPhone 10, XR, Xs Max, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPad Pro, Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra, S10 Plus, S10e, S9, S8, Note, LG G10, Blackberry, Powerbank, external battery per megapixel 3 etc. Smart charging. This car charger automatically adjusts the charging speed to your devices and charges all USB-compatible devices such as your smartphone, tablet, at the optimal speed. Works with all 12 to 24 volts cars. Fearless bumps. The shrapnel contact design makes the car charger plug in firmly. No matter the situation as a bumpy road, it can provide a stable power supply for the device. Compact design with small and lightweight features for added portability easily fits in a cigarette lighter socket with limited space. Top reviews from the United States. Solid construction and great performance. This thing works really well. For a while I had a couple of cheaper car chargers. They'd charge about as fast as my phone would drain when using it. If I had maps on, 30 minutes later I'd have 1 to 2% more battery. This thing while using maps made my Samsung charge up 23% in 20 minutes. It's definitely an improvement. The build quality also seems pretty solid. No issues in a few months of use. I'd recommend it for performance and value.